Let's see how to check the word count in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that you want to check the amount of words and the amount of characters inside of your document. Now, what you can do is head on over to the Review tab. Now, right here, under Proofing on the top left, you have the option to view your word count. Now, let's go ahead and click that. And that will show the number of pages, the number of words, the number of characters with and without spaces, the number of paragraphs, as well as the number of lines inside of your document. You can also use this feature to check the number of words for a particular paragraph or a particular block of text. So simply highlight your text and click on word count again, and that will show the same stats for that particular block of text. And that is how you check the word count in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.